Hello. Hello, Hannah. That. Okay, so how's you doing? How's you doing? Good? Hannah. Hannah? How is the weather in Hanoi?
Do you know where I am?
Of course I know.
I'm in my granny house.
What? You were in Nha Trang?
I'm in my granny's house.
You in your granny's house. So that is the reason why you are late. Isn't it? Mm-hmm. So do you have a good time in your granny house? Hmm? You have a great time? Can you hear my voice clearly? Anna, can you hear my voice?
I'll be back.
Okay,
yes,
hurry.
But wait for a while.
Hurry. You are some
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, Hannah, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Do you like my America Asian or my British Asian?
British Asian.
Why? It sounds strange. A little bit weird.
Yeah.
A little bit weird. Okay, cool. So if that's so, then I'll use as much as possible my British Asian. Okay. Okay, so today we're gonna study about animals and aliens. You know what the aliens?
Aliens is the one who lives in space.
Yes, it's from outer space. Maybe it's from the moon, Mars, maybe somewhere we don't really know the name. Yeah, the Venus, maybe some like their strange creators like that. We don't really know what are they. Science can really prove their appearance, something like that. So yeah, let's get into the lessons. Okay, so first, what is it?
In the old days, just had monkeys, and they became gorillas, right?
Yeah, I don't really know. I don't really know.
And they became human.
Then I became human.
And
No,
they
that's
can walk slowly. Then they became human.
that is different. That is different. You mean when a monkey they took for many years, many time, a long time to become a human. That's what they call the improvement of humanity, of human beings. That's different from the aliens. Okay, they're different from the aliens. We don't know how the alien became. I mean, we don't know what created them, what is the origin from of the alien. So I don't know, but maybe through this lesson we might find out something about the aliens. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so first animals and body parts. Okay, let's see animals body part. Oh, we have some vocabulary in here. Okay, Hannah. Now just let's look in here and tell me if you know the meaning or not. Okay, do you know what is eyes?
Yeah.
Eyes? And they say ears. So what is leg?
Ears.
Yeah, ears. It's supposed to be ears. Legs, four legs, body, tail, and head. We have some news word. Here is tusk, and trunk. Some new words. Do you know these two words?
I know just trunk.
Just know the trunk, and you do. Okay, so now we've learned new words. Tusk is the one came from this place of the elephant. It has white color. It's very strong. It's very like it's hard to break. Yeah, and nowadays people are trained to crack the tusk from the elephant to make some jewelry, for example, like necklace or ring and hang. I don't know what it is called. Forgot the way to say it. Like yeah, do something like this, and it's bad. It's not good. For example, if we just break our teeth, then it will be very painful, right? But if other people break the tusk of the elephant, it will be much more hurt than we feel when we break our teeth. It will be more. It's even horrible. It's terrible. And when we try to break the tusk of the elephant, it will kill the elephant, and that is bad. Okay. Okay, so next, let me see animals body part. That's enough with the elephant. Now we have the body part, the body part of bird. So we have the head, eyes, body, tails, leg, feather. That's what wings. That's what we know, right? Is there any word that you don't know? The beak. I don't really know how to pronounce it.
Pig.
Pig. Is it? You are teaching me. You are teaching me. Pig. Is that right? Okay, so is there any new word for you? Anna, is there any new word? Anna. Oh, the connections. Hannah. We have some poor connections. Hannah. 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 The connections. The connections. Hannah, there is some poor connection. So can you still hear my voice? Hmm?
Do you hear my grandma voice?
Yes, I can. I can hear her voice. Maybe is she?
Grandma,
Yeah.
a granny voice.
Yeah, maybe is she playing with your little brother?
Yes, I say her to be quiet. Okay, wait. I'm back.
You back? Okay, so is there any new words in here? Any new words that you don't know?
This one.
Just one? Which one? Which one? I think it's the feather. The feather, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I? Why is I? I easy. I? It's one I. Okay, head. Our head. So, is there any new words that you don't know? Good. Hannah, you good? Wings. Why you just underline this thing? What's that, Hannah? What is that? Shall we move next?
Course.
So there are no new words here, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I cannot erase.
Or you
this.
cannot erase it. So okay, let me erase it. Okay, good. Next. Animal party part. So we were seeing the party part of elephant, of the bird, and now the fish. Okay, we have mouth. Repeat. Okay.
Mouth.
Eye.
Eye.
Head.
Eyes.
Yes. Eyes. It's supposed to be eyes. Yes. Head.
Fin.
Head.
Fin. Fin.
Okay. Fin. Bone. Oh my god, I'm Eucharistic. Bone.
Bone.
Bone. Yes.
Tail.
Yes. And body. That's all. Body. Okay. You know the meaning of this word?
My water gonna change into orange.
So why? Why your water gonna turn into water? You put some, I don't know, something like this. This? What is the name of it?
I put
Yeah.
this.
I don't know.
Put this.
Ah, yeah, you put that. I don't think that you can drink that quarter. I don't know. I don't think that you can drink that quarter. Okay, so we're gonna move next. Look and read. Put a ticket or a course in the box. Oh, this is the alien, isn't it? This is the alien, right?
Look. This is the monster.
This is the monster. Or maybe the monster is the alien. We don't know. Okay, so look and read. Number 2. This is a nose. So this is a nose, isn't it? A nose?
No.
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 I think it's a nose. Let's check it out. Yeah. So yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, let's check. Yes, it's a nose. Okay, so this is an eye, isn't it?
No, no, no.
No, no, no. It's a head. Huh, this is a leg, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, easy. So this is a mouth, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, easy a piece. Right. This is an arm. Let's see. This is an
No.
arm. Nah. Nah. It's a head, right? So this is a head. This is
This here and this here, right?
Wait, number 7, this is a head, isn't it? Yes or no?
No.
No, what is it?
It's like right?
What is it? It's a
My drink gonna turn into orange.
I think that you shouldn't drink that one. Shouldn't. Okay, so wait. What is this? Hannah? Okay, finish drinking. What it is?
Tail.
No, what it is? The one like this?
No.
What is it?
Arm.
Yes, the arms, or maybe it's the hand.
Hand.
Okay, number 8. This is a tail, right?
No. But this is the arm.
This is the arm. Okay, so this one is the arm and this one is the hand, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the arm.
Okay, it's the arm. Yes,
Not the hand.
yeah, so that is the reason why it's incorrect. You see the cross? You see the cross here? That is the reason why it's incorrect. So number 8, this is a tail, right?
Okay. Oh yeah, I can erase it.
So number 8, true or false? True or false? Ta-da!
2.
See, true, yes. So what is the creator? What it is creator? What are you doing? What are you doing? You eating candy? Right? right in the middle
No.
of the class. No, no, don't do that. Okay. Oh, my back is so hard. Mm. Oh, I'm old. Okay, so tell me, what is the creator? What it is? What is it?
Monster.
About aliens? We are studying about the aliens.
Aliens don't have tail.
Well, how do you know? Have you ever seen the aliens? You sure? Is there any picture of the aliens? Real picture? So this one is an aliens. Alien.
No.
No. Okay, so I have something to tell you. Anna? Do you know the noun? No candy. No candy here. No candy and focus. Focus. What I'm saying now is very important. So focus.
And
Oh my God, that's dirty. That's naughty. My girl. Okay. Do you know the noun? For example, aliens is the noun. Do you know the noun?
no.
No. This is how we write it. Here. Now. Maybe. Come on. Focus. Seriously. Focus. Focus. Focus, Hannah. I'm not happy. Hannah,
It's going to turn orange.
I want you to focus.
That is almost orange.
And I want you to focus. Now focus.
Okay.
Okay. So there are some words which begin with the A, E, I, O, U. For example,
Alien.
aliens. Yes, aliens. Or maybe elephant. Or maybe ice cream. Or maybe orange. Or maybe umbrella. So with, yes, umbrella. So with these words, we're gonna use an aliens, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella instead of a. Okay, we don't use a. If there is just one aliens, then we will say an alien. They are aliens. If there is just one orange, then we will say there is an orange. That's all. Very easy. And then you know what? You just the connection. Connection. Girl. What? Now stop putting something in your mouth. First eat a pen. First eat a candy and now eat a pen. No. No, it's not good for your health at all. you singing? Okay, so I think that we should move on. Hannah, can you see the exercise here?
Yeah.
And do you want to do it?
The many.
There are many?
Yes.
So you can do it. Okay, you can do it? Yeah, so let's do it. So an arm, yes. So how about body? Will it be a body or unbody? Which one should it be?
And body.
Or un. Or un. A body? A body?
Oh.
Yes. Look at that. It just, it's okay, a body. Okay, so ear. A ear or an ear?
Ears.
Ears. Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Ears.
I don't think so. Sure? Sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, it's correct. Good job. You pass. You're past this game. Okay, so eye or an eyes. Eyes or an eyes.
An eyes.
An eyes, good. So a face
An
or
eye.
unface. A face or unface. Hannah. No, don't do that. Okay, so Hannah, tell me a face or unface. Hannah, I'm so sleepy. A face? A face? A face? Good, a face. So a foot?
Yeah.
A foot or unfoot?
A foot.
Good. A hand or unhand?
And hand.
Unhand? Sure. Unhand or a hand? Unhand or a hand?
A hand.
Good, a hand. A head or unhead?
And head.
Sure. A head or unhead?
A head.
Good. A leg or a leg?
And leg.
A leg. Or a leg? Again, I can't hear you. What are you drinking? Some cooking toys?
A leg.
A leg, good. Mouth, how about mouth?
A mouth.
Good. Nose?
A nose.
Good. Tail.
A toe.
A tail. Again, a tail.
Tail.
Good. So now let's move on. So we're gonna say an elephant and a mouse. Okay? An elephant.
Elephant.
Yes, an elephant and a
An
mouse.
elephant.
That's it. Hey, look at the mouse. I think it's so cute.
Yeah.
Look at the mouse. I think it's so cute.
Cute.
Cute. Okay, next. See, what do we have? Link the final end of unreachable side. What? What?
I like sun and sea.
Can you understand the exercise we have to do? I don't understand. I can't get it.
Then
You don't understand?
I don't understand like
Yes, me too. I'm not get it. What is he talking about? What is he talking about? So weird. Just move on. Let's just move on. Ah, okay. Let's make some quiz here. Okay, so do you want to do the exercise?
yes.
Yes. Okay, so first, I'll give you some hint and then you have to guess these animals. Okay, so the first but to like complete the hint, then you have to guess the keyword of the hint. Can you do it? Can you do it?
Of course. Of course.
Of course, you are very good. You are so good. Then you have, and I believe that you can do it. So what? We have an example. You can find me at the ... Then the word is zoo. So you can find me at the zoo. Next, I'm a very big ... What is it? I'm a very big? Big what?
Giraffe.
I know it's a giraffe. I know. But you had to put the word to complete the hint.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm a very big what? We have some words in here. Quarter,
Water.
legs, animal, fruit, shoe, eyes, nose. So which word will put on here? Will put in here?
Lake.
Leg. Not so sure. Again, some other.
An animal.
Good. Animals. Yes, animals. So you can find me at the zoo. I'm a very big animal. I've got 4 long. What is it? 4 long. Hmm. 4 long. What?
Donkey.
No.
Giraffe.
Yes, but this animal have four long what?
Long leg.
Yes, long legs. Okay, and my tail. Yes, it's a giraffe. Good. And my tail is very long too. I can see with my big brow. Big brow. You can see with this. What can you see? You can see with this. Hannah, focus. Oh, shall we continue the exercise? Let me check it
I
out.
don't know.
You don't know, so I think it's kind of hard for you to get. Yes. So it's so difficult for you. For you. So because it's kind of difficult. So we're gonna like, I don't know how to do this one. What is it? Oh, take the frog heads, the bird body, and the lizard tail. Put the different parts together. Do you like your new animal? Oh my god. The frog head, the bird body, and the lizard's tail. Put the different parts together. Let's imagine. Let's imagine.
Okay.
You're gonna take the frog hairs and you put it with the bird's body and with the lizard's tail.
But I cannot.
No,
I
just
cannot.
just imagine about that. Just imagine that picture. We can't. Actually, we can't. Yeah, technically we can't. So take the frog hair to put together with the bird's body and the lizard's tail. Can you imagine that animal? What is that animal? Is that any?
No.
Oh, is that an animal? No. Is it a monster? Is it a monster? Is it a monster? Yeah, it's the monster. And
Yes.
Yes, it is. And is it the aliens? Is it the alien?
Yeah.
Yeah, is it the alien? Well, you can see people usually no, not usually. People used to have rumor about aliens. Maybe like they said that they saw the aliens in front of their house with the UFO, like the aircraft with the UFO. And the alien usually has green color with two eyes, grow with the ear, two eyes in here, like that. And they have lizards, saber sword, like that. And they look kind of horror. They look like kind of horror and scary. But you know, it's just some rumors, and we don't really know that. With Hannah, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hannah, that's that.
Yeah.
No, I don't want you to like close the camera like that. No. don't use your hand to hide the camera like this again, okay? I don't really like that. The connection. It's 9:45, and now, what will you say? It's time to end the class. What will you say?
Look, it's turned orange.
That's orange. Okay, so it's 9:45 and now it's time to end the class. So today I think that Hannah is not really focused in the class and I don't really want that to happen in the next class. Okay. Hannah, it's time to say what? Hannah.
Goodbye, Miss Green.
Goodbye. But in the next class, be on time and be focused. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so bye-bye.
Goodbye, Miss Green. Goodbye, Miss Green.